hyaluronic acid in this or your favorite products is actually not working. My easily market influenced brain has made me buy a hyaluronic acid, and I was expecting soft and supple skin, and to my surprise I got very dry and tight skin. So me being me, instead of reading the instructions on the bottle, I did a whole research on it. And the fascinating thing is, this HA molecule, by the way I'll call it as HA because hyaluronic acid is a very weird word. So this HA molecule is a humectant, not a moisturizer. Humectant is something that holds on to water. The moisturizer is something that stops water from going out of your skin. We already have hyaluronic acid in our skin. So this is how our skin looks like, the deep layers of our skin, and this is where you will find HA molecule. You see that blue chain sort of thing, that is our HA. HA is actually a polymer chain. Polymer chain in the sense, our molecules are held together to look like a chain. So our HA has around thousands and thousands of molecules. Each molecule looks something like this. You see that red dot over there? That is called negatively charged ion. That means it can attract positively charged ions. So which molecule has positively charged ion? Our water molecule. So the water molecule here, the red dot over there, is the positively charged ion. As we all know, the universal law, negatively charged ion gets attracted to the positively charged ion. They come together when they are in a proper vicinity and they form a bond. That is what's happening here. Our HA molecule has thousands of negatively charged molecules that attracts water molecule. So one HA molecule can hold thousands of water molecules, which means your dry and dead skin cells has readily available water. So they use water and start functioning like they're supposed to. Whenever you're applying hyaluronic acid products or serum, make sure you apply it on the damp skin. If you're not providing water to your HA molecule, it is going to suck the water from the deep layers of your skin. And that is the reason why it feels very tight and dry when you apply it on your dry skin. So make sure the next time whenever you're using a HA product, you are applying it on the damp skin. And also follow it up with a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin. And if you're confused between a moisturizer that has HA in it or a completely HA based serum, or you just want to know about the skincare products that you're applying onto your skin and the science behind it, you follow behind the skin and comment down any questions you have, because I want to make sure your decisions or your choices are backed up by science, not only just by marketing. Anyway, marketing is going to get to us. I might rank top in the list, but it is always good to know the science behind the products you're applying, right? Hyaluronic acid in this or your favorite products is actually not working. My easily market influenced brain has made me buy a hyaluronic acid, and I was expecting soft and supple skin, and to my surprise I got very dry and tight skin. So me being me, instead of reading the instructions on the bottle, I did a whole research on it. And the fascinating thing is, this HA molecule, by the way I'll call it as HA because hyaluronic acid is a very weird word. So this HA molecule is a humectant, not a moisturizer. Humectant is something that holds on to water.